Hi guys, are you dreaming of fuller, more defined lips without compromising on the natural look? If yes, let me show you how.
Hi Nate, so you're here for your lip filler?
Yes,
You must be having a lot of questions.
Yes, apparently I am scared because this is the very first time I'm getting fillers done. So I have a lot of questions. Also for the fact that I'm more interested to go for a little natural and plumper look, like, not very over the top. And you being the mastermind behind it, you guys suggest me like, what shall we go with today?
Alright, so the product that I'm going to be using for you today is hyaluronic acid. So when we talk about natural results, hyaluronic acid is the way to go because this is also a natural component of our body. So once we inject hyaluronic in the skin, it easily merges with your lip tissue and it will not form any extra features like lumps or bumps. It's just going to merge in the tissue. So what we really want to achieve today with your lips is a little bit of enhancement. What I can enhance with your lips is first is the corner of the lips. So I can see that the corners are a little inturned. So we are not creating any extra volume in the lip. We'll just open up your own lips. The second thing that we can do is the shape of the lip. So you have a very beautiful lip shape. I would never want to change that. Only thing is I give a little volume to your upper lip. Because we try to achieve the golden ratio, which is 1:1:2. That is how the upper and lower lip volume works. To give you the best features. So we'll work a little bit on that, and then we'll also work in volumizing to give you a perfect mouth.
Also, I have one more question. How often do you recommend that I should, visit back again? Like, let's say this time we are going for 1 ml you mentioned. So when can I visit the next time when I feel that, there's the need because it settles down, right? So I just want to understand that time gap.
Yes. So when it comes to lip and only enhancement of lip, we don't want too much of volume. It's not that we are treating very thin lip. I always suggest going for only 1 ml at a time. We can always repeat after 15 days if we are looking for more bulkier or some specific extra volumized lips. But to start with, always start with 1 ml because lip is a very vascular organ. That means a lot of blood supply is there. So when we inject the lip, there is also partly some swelling that comes up. So you will feel that the lip filler is too much in the first 2-3 days, but then it starts to settle down. And after a week, you actually see the final result of it.
Actually answered a lot of my questions. So shall we get this going?
Yes, let's start.
Cool. Absolutely.
Okay, so it's half done now. Just have a look.
Can I see?
Yes.
Yeah. I think you haven't really changed the shape of it, but
yes.
I think I can see volume and it looks much more plumper. So yes, kind of natural look.
Yes. So right now I've just restored the balances. Wherever there was less volume, I've just filled that so that the lip looks more beautiful on your face. Okay.
And this will settle down in a couple of days, right?
Yes, it's not much of a swelling because we are only half done now. I still have 0.5 ml of hyaluronic acid.
Half is still left.
So we are still going to do it, but now I will just focus on enhancing the shape of the lip. The same lip, same borders, but I just enhance the borders. Okay, so slight volume enhancement will also be there. Second thing that we should actually work on is a little bit on this philtrum. So this 2 lines which are there, which connect your lip to the nose.
Absolutely.
You slightly enhance that. That also increases the beauty. Okay, so
Perfect.
these are the things I'll work on now.
Cool. So we are still left with half of the process.
Half of the process.
We'll get going. Okay. Thank you. It was kind of painful, but I think it's worth the pain. I'm kind of liking it now. Hi guys, today I visited Skinfinity Derma Clinic, which is situated in Noida. And we were here for our lip fillers, as you can see. The service was amazing. Initially, I was so scared, but I think Dr. Ipshita was really very helpful. So yes, I'm very happy with the results, kind of very satisfied. I'm definitely coming back here again. And also you can see that I kind of wanted very natural look. just a little plump in my lips, and that's exactly what she's given. So yes, I am returning here back about in 2 months. See you guys. Thank you.